Hey everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. Today's video is an unboxing that I'm super excited about. It's a Fashionphile unboxing. Obviously you know that, you saw the title, but I'm so excited because I don't have anything from this brand and it'll be my very first piece. So before we get started, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. My channel's grown quite a bit over the past few months and I would love for you to be a part of my family here. So again, thank you for watching and I hope you will like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. All right, so I went ahead and opened the box, but I haven't looked in it. All the Fashionphile boxes, you have the paper confetti here, and that is on top. Also, I got another file, which I have a few. These are good files. I really like these files. And then receipt information is in here. So here's the receipt information, and then just a thank you, shop, sell, repeat, and we'll buy it back. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they will buy a bag back from you that you purchased from them within maybe 180 days or something like that for, I believe, 90% of what you paid for it. I could be totally wrong about that, but I have done it once and they do it. But if you just want to send it back, you can, of course, but once you take the tags off, it's yours. All right. Used as the new. So here it is. It did come in the original box, so I was really excited about that. I'm just going to open it so you can see. Make sure it is upright. I think it is. It is. Can you tell what it is from the flower there? It is a Chanel piece, and I'm not sure how this sticks on, so I'm not gonna take it off, but you can definitely see Chanel underneath there, and it's a nice box. I love boxes. So it comes wrapped in the Fashionphile dust bag because it didn't come with its own dust bag. Oh, it did. It did come with its own dust bag. All right, hold on and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so it came with everything. So I'm very impressed because I don't think it was in the listing that it came with all of this stuff. So it has the little Chanel envelope and let's see, the Chanel like care booklets here. So that's what that is. We'll see if it has the authenticity card. I can't remember. And so here's the dust bag. Such a pretty dust bag. It's velvet. Let's see, it goes like that. Isn't that pretty? And you put the piece in there, and they even sent the Chanel ribbon. How cool is that? It's such a nice surprise because I didn't know that I was going to be getting it. I'm sure you can guess like what it is, but do you know what it is? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. Here it is. So this is the beautiful Chanel aged calfskin quilted reissue compact wallet, and this is in the color gray. And I'm gonna hold it. It's like a almost like a little bit of a crinkly texture, but look how pretty. And I believe it's the ruthenium hardware, if I'm not mistaken. So it does have the tags on it from Fashionphile. So once those are taken off, it's yours. You have purchased it. But it has the little turn lock closure there. And there is the Chanel name there. And it opens like that. So it looks like all of the... I'm assuming these are what Chanel put in there because normally I don't think that Fashionphile sends those in their wallets. So I'm just going to go and take those out of the card slots. Let me smell it. There's no odor or anything like that, so that's awesome. Let's go over the wallet really quickly. All right, so it opens like that. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. I don't think that's one. No, that's not one. And then like almost like a secretarial pocket right here and right here, which is pretty interesting. I guess a good place maybe for receipts. Could stick in there like that. And then the bill compartment is in the back. And then on the other side is the coin compartment, and it doesn't look like any coins were put in there. Honestly, this, gosh, it barely looks used, like, at all. There's a little bit of something right there, but that's just like really looking. There might be a little bit of scuffing up here. You can see that kind of in the light there. And the bill compartment looks good. The little authenticity mark stamp thing that they put on it, it's not worn at all. That tells me a lot of, like, the person didn't put a lot of bills in and out and, you know, go in and out of that area that much. The card slots don't look used, like, at all. They look perfectly new. I mean, you can see that. There is no discoloration in there at all. So, isn't this so pretty? I mean, would I have preferred maybe black? Yeah, but is it a big deal? No, I'm not. I think I've said before that wallet color isn't that big of a deal for me. If I find one, like I found that Adele wallet for, in Michael Kors that matched the Corinne purse that I had, and I went ahead and got it because it was a great price. But do I care? Do I have to be matchy-matchy? I don't. So I think this might even just be a really good neutral. But my first Chanel piece, I'm so excited. So excited that it came with all of these things and the care booklet and the pretty Camilla. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna start using it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. So the reason why I went ahead and got this is because it was on sale. So I don't know if the original price on Fashionphile was this, but it was $5.65. So I don't know if it had been marked down previously, but $5.65. And then they had a discount on top of it. I also had a credit. I didn't end up paying that much for the wallet. I'd had the credit for quite a while. I returned the Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. I did a video on that. I decided to return it. I didn't think it was me, so I just went ahead and returned it within that 30-day return period, 30 or 60 day, and so I got a credit for that. So that's what I use, and I ended up paying less out of pocket, less than $200. So I thought that was a really good deal. Okay, so the buyback thing that I was talking about just a few minutes ago, I can send this back to them before March 9th of 2021. So we're in mid-September right now of 2020. I can send it back to them by March 9th and receive 70% of what I paid for it. I think that's pretty good, right? I mean, I won't. I think I'm going to keep this, but I think that's a pretty good deal. And of course, I can, if I just didn't want it and wanted to return it, I could return it by October 9th. So I think I bought this on September 9th. And it just says it has to be postmarked. So in the original condition with the tags attached. So what do you think? Do you like it? I do. I really like it. Hopefully it won't be the intro to more Chanel pieces. I'm sure my husband wouldn't be too happy about that, but so I am so excited and excited to have it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you'll like and subscribe. I will talk to you soon. Bye.